Great job. Full moon rising. Well, we've got sun, we've got some wind, so maybe we'll get some dry beans today. It's Monday, November 7th, the day before the election day. You know, I was thinking about this yesterday. With this warm spell we're having, yeah, look at that. I've got shorts on today. It's about 72 degrees. I think last night we had the windows open when we went to bed, left the windows open all night long. I think this is the first time that I've ever slept with the windows open in the month of November. This is just unbelievable weather. But we normally associate red with heat, heat with red, and blue with cold, and cold with blue. And we've been hearing about this red wave coming, so I think this weather we're having is a great sign for a red wave tomorrow. Yeah, let's hope so. Hey, it is going to turn cooler tonight. I think this is the last day of the warm weather. I didn't get out here yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. We did not get any of the rain. The rain stayed to the west of us. But it was cloudy. The sun was in and out. It just wasn't fit to cut soybeans. So I'm hoping today it will be. I just checked some of these when I came down here 10 minutes ago, and they weren't dried yet. Yeah, that thing is not. It should pop right open when you and it's just, they still have a little bit of dampness in them, so we're still going to have to wait another hour or so. Yeah, they're just not popping open. All right, putting some fuel in the combine here. I think I'll go get the truck, and I've got soybeans in there, so I'll go ahead and empty those, take them back to the farm while I am waiting for these things to dry out. So we've got 2 more days. I can't get it all in one day. I've got what, 20, 30, got about 40 acres left here to cut, so 2 good days we can finish this up. And then I've still got what, 5 or 10 acres of corn left that we left to dry down in the field. I think it's dry now, so we'll get these soybeans out, then get the corn. Hopefully we can get that finished before the rain by the end of the week. Okay, some of you are wondering, why is the hood up on the truck? That's because in order to operate the fuel pump, I've got to connect the pump to the battery. So I just have some alligator clips that we run around here to hook to the battery. We don't hook this permanent because this fuel tank does not stay on this truck. I only put it on when I need it. So probably this week the fuel tank is coming off of the truck. So that's the reason for the hood being up on the truck. What is that, $5 every 10 seconds going in there? Oh yeah, racking up the dollar bills today. But right here, $1.9 billion. I got the tickets. What the hell? The pump cut off at 175 and I'm not full. Well, gosh darn it, that pisses me off. Brand new gas pumps, and the receipt printer has already quit working. Come on. So I did not stick my card in again because I had to walk in to get a receipt. And if I put my card in again to finish filling, I'd have to walk in a second time to get a receipt. And I'm a fat, lazy, ugly American, so I'm not doing that twice. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera up here above the straw walker so you can kind of get a sense of how these straw walkers work. So that is the front of the combine. Up there is where everything comes off of the cylinder, and then the stalks are going to walk back on these straw walkers and drop into the straw chopper. So let's see how dusty it's going to get. Okay, I hope you saw how it worked. I tried to go slow so it didn't put a whole lot of crop through there at one time, so you could get a sense of what was going on. So now I'm going to set you up here over top of the sieves so you can see how the crop comes through there. I doubt you're going to see much here because the dust, the fan is just going to throw all of that dust right back here to you, but let's see what happens. Okay, I hope you saw what you needed to see, and it helped you understand a little bit more about what I was talking about. All right, it's almost 12:30. We've got some dust rolling. The soybeans seem to be coming out of the pods okay. My monitor is staying where it needs I just can't believe this weather for November. Looks like a dust storm. Hey, did you notice? I'm sexy again. Someone or one or two people had asked about the hours on this machine. I'm going to show you. So there is the engine hours, 4,657. Separator hours, 3,350. $1 billion, $2 billion, 1.9, but if you take the cash option, it's probably about $1 billion. What would you do with that? I've got some ideas. I would probably buy 2 properties. The first one, I would probably go out to the Midwest or the upper Midwest and buy a section, buy one farm, 640 acres, and enough equipment just for that. 640 acres I can do by myself probably, if it's all on one section, and that would be good. So that'd be the first property I'd buy. The second property, I would probably go down to the Caribbean somewhere and buy my own private island. That way, when it starts getting cold in the Midwest, I would just go to the Caribbean for the wintertime and spend my time on the island there. Yep, I think that's what I would do. So I've been thinking some numbers I want to play. So I got 2 quick pick tickets already, but I think I'm going to get 2 more tickets with numbers that I'm going to select. I've been thinking about it while I've been cutting soybeans this afternoon. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So by the time you see this video, you will have known whether there's a winner or not, and if that winner was me, because hey, if there's a winner in Maryland, then it's a good possibility it was me, right? Okay, truck is loaded. These beans have started cutting shitty. The sun is going down now. Hey, new time, 5 minutes to 5. Yep, so it's time to pick those numbers, stop and get those lottery tickets. Hey, I need some ice cream as well, so I'm going to stop at DG and get some ice cream, and it's home to take a shower, have some food, and then an adult beverage, and watch for those lottery numbers tonight. All right, until next time, see ya. See, that's what I mean about them cutting shitty. The wind stopped blowing, the sun started going down, and they just started dragging up on the header, making piles out here. So it's time to go home. But man, look at that beautiful sky with the sunset. Gonna be a little cooler tomorrow. No shorts for me, I guess. I think the moon is full tomorrow night, actually.